Hi. It was just a particularly long smidgen. Welcome in, everybody. Just got a follow. Thank you for the follow. All follows are anonymous. Welcome here. There's a bit of something going around the household in various ways. Hovercat's got a runny nose, I've got a sore throat.
According to my calculations, that is almost a year. The maths are amazing.
Amazing. Mac, thank you for 16 months. Nearly a year at this point. Incredible. I know, Willow, and you guys were trying to put me on a bicycle. I see how it is. All right. So, first thing of note. For health, I see. First thing of note, this is working and smooth. No more jitteriness on it. It's looking good. And that comes out. There's a little bit of a single frame when it first loads. It's a little bit awkward that I don't like, but it's fine. For the most part, it's good. What else? Hey, Al. Oh, hello, everyone. Individually, why not? Hello, Willow. Hello, Mac. Hello, Theron. Hello, Al. I think that's everybody. The ones in the background? What? They're not in the background. They're just... They just kind of get smaller as they go away. He did the thing! Yeah! Okay. Tonight, we want to make Leon a reality. Also, this is something I'm working on, is a custom font. We will see how well that turns out. I tried it as is, and there's like, okay, you can't just out of the box. It's monospace. It's monospace, which is, nobody likes monospace font when it's supposed to be handwritten. So we have to do some advanced stuff to define the size of each character. So it's really got me very interested in custom rolling dialogue text, which would be a little bit scary, but it would let me do some very, very cool things. So we will see. We will see. I hope we can do it, but it would basically... Here's the performance concern. We might have to treat every character as a sprite and individually position them, which is scary from a performance standpoint, but it would give us incredible control over special effects on the text. No. Theron, you might have missed the part where we're all sick. And also, I think these letters need to be a bit thicker as well. So I'll go back over them. This is heavily based off of the Thousand Year Door font, which is called Pop Joy, I think it is. I knew it. The nerve. Let me see here. TTYD. Font. Well, it doesn't say on this one. But it's very similar. This is the font from TTYD. You can see there's a lot of similarity. I tried to mimic the different little curves of everything. McHugh has quite a long tail compared to this one, but it's close enough. Also, I went with serif on the I because I think that's more readable in some cases, so I just went for it. But yeah, I think it also, I did a lot more crisp on the numbers. That's going to be a big experimental project there. We're not ready for that. No, tonight is, of course, Leon. Leon. Ah. There he is. He's only got 1 foot in this because we're just going to use the same foot twice. Don't worry about it. So what does Leon need here? All right. So let's look at what animations we're going to need for Leon. He only has 1 leg, 1 unique leg, but it's the same leg twice. We're just gonna have the same leg twice. It's fine. It's gonna be like that, okay? So don't worry about it. We only need to draw it once. So he needs an animation for idle. I think we can do that just fine with what we've got here. Jumping, yeah, that's fine. We can use that. In his shoes. Fingers and toes, like a lizard. Walking, that's fine. Talking, we'll use this doofy looking animation here. Hurt. We'll work on that. Get the pad out. Do some drawing, doodling. Got my cough drops here for later. We're gonna need them. All right. So one thing might be nice. These eyes, how they twinkle. These dimples, how merry. Okay. What do we think about that? Yeah, no one is mean. It's fine. Enjoy the lurk rage and enjoy your class. What if? What if? What if? Is that weird? Like, that's kind of more like what chameleon eyes look like. So it might be good. Here, let me look up, let me pull up a picture of chameleon. Give me the, give me chameleon. Let's look at some pictures of chameleons. Let's do it. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Yes, they do have weird eyes. They got weird eyes. That's like one of their things. One of their notable things is they got these scaly eyes. No, it's a ball. It's a ball. Just with a little bleep. Oh, heck yeah, casual. Can you see it? Can you see it? The chameleon eye there? Like versus this little like Saturday morning cartoon character versus this. Ignore the mouth. Maybe the eyes need to be even smaller. I don't know. All right. A or B? Put on his contacts here. Okay. All right. So, A or B? A or B? I guess that's kind of the point, isn't it? B is more cool, A is more silly. Yeah, my worry is that it's too silly. Like, maybe if we drop this idea here. Just go with more of a normal forward-facing eye. Oh, hang on. What about midway? Halfway. What do we think about that? Well, yeah, he's gonna look a little bit goofy. That's just who he is as a character. He's very naive. Very much a foil to Cat. Whereas Cat is very cynical and self-serving. Leon is going to be extremely naive, trusting, etc. We think maybe this? Maybe this right here? Good compromise? Okay. All right. I mean, basically that's the idea. All right, so I should be able to just copy paste this. And get that right on top of the exact spot we need it to be. Perfect, probably. That'll work. Okay. All right. And that's like, it doesn't matter. All right. so there's our basic. Yeah, yeah. It's a good middle ground. Good job, everybody. Okay. So idle animation, jump animation, walk animation, talk animation. We'll use this one. All right, we need hurt, tired, and asleep. All we need for that is different faces. A different head. Hurt, tired, and asleep. So we're going to duplicate this. Erase that. Him on his back. No, that's not how the sleep animation. They sleep standing up, all of them. Okay, so a lot of it can be done with just eye swapping. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's start with tired. I have a sad face, I think. And we'll do like sad eyes. This is for being hurt. Yeah, I want to keep vaguely the same silhouette here. Let's work on the mouth. I think that'll help a lot with this. Let's just get rid of that. It's instant perfection. We'll patch up the edges and everything. Oh, I have low opacity brush here. Did not realize. All right, well, that's a good start. Looks annoyed. He's just tired. He's just a little sleepy. Maybe he needs a little bit of a upturned, more of a concerned. Does he get eyebrows? No. No, he does not. He is lizard. All right. Now we got regular, we got injured, like, or poisoned. This would also be his face for poison status effect. Next up, we need another one. We need actively being hurt. What's the theme for chapter 2? It's a little bit up in the air right now. It may be vaguely forest, like treetop canopy sort of thing going on, but I think I'm going to give it a big twist to the normal sort of treetop city thing you get. Because originally it was going to be a bunch of birds living there. And it may still be a bunch of birds. I would never owl. I can think of some pigs that might. So it's just gonna be like, I'm just gonna give him. First, let's patch that out. Okay. And then give him the old razzle dazzle. Vaguely that. Never. Godot cultist. I'm enjoying it. It's been fun. I've done Unity, Godot, and by hour, my most used is custom from scratch engines. Let's see here. Should I use the other mouth? That might be a nice shortcut for this. Let's do that. Unity on top. Yeah, I did that one for a while. The only game I've got on Steam was made in Unity. And there are some things I like and some things I don't like. I can definitely soapbox about the features I enjoy and do not enjoy about each engine. But we're in a little bit of a low energy night. Got a little bit of a sickness going around. So I'm not gonna work myself up into a fever about different engines. Ben pals. A Suica him up. Okay, so that'll be our hurt pose. And then we need just a sleep. Some good drawings. I disagree. But thank you. Everyone has to be extremely critical of their own art. It's a rule. Let's grab kind of the blank. We already blanked out these eyes pretty well. So let's grab that. Paste it. Merge it with Control E. I'm still learning all the shortcuts for this. Okay. There's a lot of commands. Why are there so many commands? You're all just spamming links to my own stuff. Don't be desperate. Okay. So now we're gonna give him a little sleepy face. Little sleepy eyes. What? Too cute. Hang on, you got too cute. There we go. Although, in all honesty, he should still have, like, the, like, lizard bulge eye thing going on. but maybe we'll just kind of deal with it. Did you just link yourself? What is happening in my chat? I've completely lost control of chat for the night. Alright, well, I think this is going to be our sprite sheet. Let's see what we can do with it. Fingers crossed. Okay, I do need to be cautious about... I want to line these bases up pretty well. Oh, well, that one's still... That's a little broken. Okay, get that on top. Let's twist it into the right position. That looks grand. And then let's fix it. What have we done? Okay, that's fine. He's so chipper. Casual, you're getting auto-modded, by the way. I don't know if you realize that. Auto-mod has started blocking your stuff. So, maybe cool it? Let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that's snug. But it works. I'm gonna need more space. Oh gosh, I'm gonna need a little bit more space somehow. Maybe we can just kind of... There we go. Barely squeeze everything in the 1000 pixels there. All right, get rid of this. That one we can drop. That one we can drop. So we still got that one. So this one we can drop. This one we can drop. All right, cool. That leaves us with just the necessities. All these grand necessities. Shoe. Tongue. Actually, if we play our cards right, we can really squeeze this stuff in. Shoe. Body. Tail. It's tail time. That's probably fine. What's going on there? Why does it think that there's something there? Oh, there is a little something there. Oops. There we go. Much better. All right. Good, good. Perfect. All right. Drop that. Save. What's your favorite song that you've made so far? Ooh, I don't know. Okay. There's a lot of bangers. We've made some good bots. All right. That looks a little silly. We will likely redo a lot of this art, and that is fine. All right, so save this out as a PNG. And let's make Leon. Let's get him in here. Actors. Oh wait, no, partners. We're gonna duplicate the cat folder for the Leon folder. We're gonna have a Leon script because every partner has their own script to handle their field movement. At least 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, you got quickly lost in chat somehow. I can't imagine how that happened. Let's see here. Got too many folders open. All right. So this is going to be different. Huh. I guess I might need some kind of base partner script. So I can handle the follow that easily. All right, here we go. Leon, there he is. Wow. All right, switch over to 2D. Whoa. All right, first off, we're gonna point our animation player to the 2D version of our canvas. The reason is, for doing 2D animations, moving sprites around and stuff, it's much easier to operate in 2D, especially because we are flattening this out. We are operating on a 2D canvas and then flattening it out onto a viewport texture for 3D. This allows us to get a much crisper final merged image. But it means that editing the animations is basically impossible in 3D. It's very annoying. So we do it in 2D first. By just basically having a copy of all the sprites. All right, here we go. Let's make sure that we're not. Let's check in our code because there's always that chance that something's going to go terribly wrong, and we're going to want to roll back. All right, here we go. All right. Actually, let's leave cat up for now. Just for scaling purposes, it would be handy. Well, it's gonna be about the right size there. Just a little bit smaller. So let's start with body. Right around there. We will attach to that let's do a head container. This allows us to set up a pivot point. Unlike Unity, you do have to have a separate node to modify that. Is that region okay? Yeah, that's not gonna impact anything. We'll do a smooth 200 by 200. Okay. And see, that way we can just rotate, oops. Rotate on a specific point. That's a bit of a goofy point to pick. So let's modify that. Let's do it up there. A little bit better. Yeah, the whole thing's good. And then we're gonna add a hat. That is head. Let's do this. Hat. There we go. Looking good, looking good. We need a couple of arms attached to this body. And as you can imagine, it's still going to be using the same sprite sheet. Okay. Great. Duplicate that for ARM2 container, which contains ARM2. Ordering Z index of that. Good. Next up, a tail. Tail container. Tail. Visibility, tuck that behind there. All right, works. Next up. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit tricky. Well, maybe not. Maybe it'll be fine. Let's just go with a foot, but with a slightly larger region. So that we can pivot it at a better point. Okay, we're in good shape there. They're in the shoes, Dupu. They're in the shoes. Gosh. Is that Ness? Huh. No, couldn't be. I was trying to figure out how can I work in a Sans joke. Give him a hoodie. Oh, he's the picture of innocence. Does this look like the face of mercy to you? All right, now we're gonna animate him. That's everybody's favorite part anyway. Oh boy. All right. Let us confirm our initial code. Hang on. First, let me make sure cat is still working. There was this one time that I was setting up animations and it messed up the animations for another character, and I'm just paranoid now. So I'm going to be checking my code in phases here. All right. You're fine, because it's you. You. All right. Now let's mess with the animations. Make unique. All right. Get rid of scan. I don't think we need shock. Oh yeah, we need a victory animation. Don't need a wind up yet, or a wrench hit animation. Okay, but all these we need to make. Small game. Very mini game. All right. Idle animation. I think he might like look left and right, because that would be fun. Okay, good. Property track. He's going to... Hey, you Pikachu! We're gonna scale. We're gonna do this. Is there a way to change this default? Someone mentioned there's a way to change the default interpolation mode, and I don't know what it is. Except this I want to be nearest for scale. Okay. We need the tail to be able to rotate. Oh, too quick. This is all we need. I guess his arms could kind of bob a bit. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna make him do things. Okay. Body needs to bob a bit. Ooh, that's tricky. Huh, because that moves the whole thing. But I don't want his feet moving when his body does that. So let's move those out of there. Now let's do that. Okay. Just a little subtle bobbing. Alright, tail container. Swap those around. them down a bit. Nice. It's Pikachu. All right, next up. This is going to be a little bit silly. So that makes me want to make this whole animation longer as a result. Okay. Arms. Backwards. Great. He's just happy to be here. Oh, because for most of the animations that I'm working on for making the characters like this, I'm almost always choosing cubic interpolation. The head needs to be behind the collar. Oh, what's the actual setting? Interpolation mode in the animation, in an animation track. It defaults to linear, which makes sense. I think that would be the most common one. But for the particular types of animations I happen to be doing, and it's not a big deal, it's a minor thing. This is perhaps a little silly. Like, what if instead of doing that, he just did like... just an occasional little... Alright, so let's not do that. I did hear about that. I think it's going to be a while before we see anything come of that, but still, that's neat. Why are you doing it? Why are you doing this? Why are you the way you are? Let's make these -10. Oh, let me take a look in the project settings then. Maybe there's something that I never actually bothered setting up. Let me look at... Oh, that doesn't look promising at all. No, it wouldn't be... I've got advanced turned on. No. Animation warnings. No. Oh well. It doesn't look promising. Okay, it's getting somewhere. Kind of give them a little bit more of a chance to kind of look around. Track under the filter. May have to look into that. All right, there we go. We have an idle animation. He needs a jump animation. What's that gonna look like? He needs a walk animation too, for that matter. I'll tell you what, for the walk animation, let's start with the idle animation and duplicate it. So for this, I'm gonna try and go about halvesies on a lot of this stuff. Not you. You're fine. You're like this. How is he going to... What does his walk cycle look like? Is it different? Maybe a little bit hup, 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 hup. Just very... Alright, definitely need the foot rotation and probably position. Alright, let's set these in as... Let's lock these in as the reset values before we screw that up. Okay, get rid of those. Now let's actually move these around. Get rid of that. Get rid of these. And we're back. Okay, so we're gonna get to that position. So about the halfway point, we're gonna... Oops, wrong foot. Okay, and then like here, we're down on the ground. I may speed this animation up a bit. That would be silly and look funny. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way to do it with by editing Godot itself a little bit. Could even be some hidden stuff, but I'm not super worried about it. Oh yeah, that makes sense that that's not going to work. Need to offset these values. So the value that this one has here, okay, so this value be there. 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 Okay, close, except we need to be off by like a half. Whoop, now we're galloping. So that was the wrong way to go. Cool. But now make it faster overall. Give him more youthful energy. He needs to have youthful energy. The song is really familiar. I mean, we've listened to it before. It is for this game. I've had this playlist going for maybe the past 2 weeks of streams. That could do it. All right, walking, idling, jumping. Let's mess with the rotation on the arms. Get those in just to make sure they are properly doing a reset. Woohoo! Yeah, put your hands in the air! Is Leon gonna dance? He's gonna have some kind of victory animation for sure. Woohoo! Alright, that might be a little excessive. The feet rotation. Make the little feet wiggle. Okay, the arm wiggling is a little bit silly. I'm not in love with that. Try again. It's okay. Let's do the body rotation. It's like too much. Make its hat rotate as well. Its tail needs to rotate. All right, and maybe he has his mouth open for this? I don't know. That's not the one. Maybe. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I've changed the wrong thing here. There we go. Head container. It's the one that rotates, not the head rotation. Oh, that's not a great spot for the pivot point there. Unless the head container position is also adjusted. Cool. Great. That is not the right value there for the head container. Or is his head on the wrong spot now? Nope. That's not it. Okay. Head should not move. In fact, add property track for his head position. Make sure it does not go anywhere. Alright. Now let's mess with the head container position. Okay. That'll work. It's goofy, it's silly, it's fine. We have so many animations to get through for this guy, huh? Victory animation. Where's Cat? Bring back Cat. Let's check the duration. Now let's look at Dabble. How long is his victory animation? 4 seconds. Okay. So it doesn't have to be huge. All right, maybe he just kind of hops in place a bit. Let's see here. All right, we need to get rid of these. Okay. Start you out in the normal position. Then give you a little jumperoo. Whoa, too much. And then a little jumperoo again, but alternate direction. Since that's 0.6, that's 1. I'm sitting down. It's basically resting. Yahoo! And they can do a little stomp. Little stompy dance. Yahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Yahoo! 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 Foot position. Oh, wait, is there a better way? Can't I just do like this? There's surely already a key for the rotation, but whatever. Okay, so now we got to do this. So let's take foot 1, move it up. Move it up. Change all these to cubic. Ha ha ha. Oh. Meanwhile, foot 2 is gonna go more like this. All right, take all these, duplicate, duplicate. And then here in the middle, there's foot 1, there's foot 2. It's a little slow. I could, however, double time it and also do it twice. Yeah. Actually, that's a little fast now. 0.4. Going on with the timing function there. Secret treasure. Whoa. Let's do 0.1. So I can line it up where I want it. Where I actually freaking want it. That's too slow. Just kind of eyeballing it here. That's better. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then it'll do little stompy feet. Gonna be this and this. How's that look? Yeah, that basically. That. Oops, nope, hang on. That one. I have a plan here. I have a vision. Yeah. Brrr. Okay. Okay, and then here, body, low, and excited. Slowly ramp up. Yeah, slower. And then I don't know, and then he jumps again, I guess. Why not? Perfect ending. Hey. Oh dear. Something went wrong. The rotation of the foot. Yes. This last one can be a bit more excited. So the position can be a little bit higher on the body. It's probably fine. It's fine. Tail needs to be waggling the whole time. There. This is one of the more, weirdly enough, this is one of the more sophisticated animations we got going on here. That's cute. I like it. I think it turned out great. We're not done. His arms aren't doing anything. Arm rotation. Boy, can you imagine having to do this for like 1,000,000 different little guys? Cool. And now we need his head region rect. So that should always just do nearest interpolation mode. Okay, so right up here, we jump for joy. And do a little, yeah. Whew, heck of an animation. Block. An easy one, because it just needs to be a one-framer. Arm rotation. Up. Body rotation. Back a little bit. Head container rotation. Head container position. That's enough. Oh boy. Mini game. Mini game? Mini game? Mini game. Got nothing. Oh! I beg your pardon. What was the deal there? I got no errors on the bot, but it just skipped a message. That was weird. Body rotation. Whoa. Tail container rotation. Head region rect. Not that one. That one. Head container position and rotation. I have to trust that someday he's going to look a little bit better than this. Because right now, he does not look great. That's all there is to say about it. He's just a little bit in need of some art. This is like barely okay. But it's pushing it. Make him longer. Maybe that's it. I feel like he should be a little bit dumpy in shape for being a child. Make him something. Maybe if he had glasses, like dorky glasses. Maybe that would help. It's tough to say at this point. Shouldn't we make him change colors? What's he do? Sticky tongue. Hookshot tongue. That's what he does. Maybe the hat, like, detracts too much from his true form. Maybe glasses. He does not eat enemies. He's too baby for that. Maybe glasses are the way to go with this. What would he look like with glasses on? Would it be an improvement? Would glasses improve things here? If he's eating enemies, then he's just Yoshi. The glasses do kind of add a little something. Okay, let's try adding glasses here. A little backpack, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the problem is he's too simple. We need to detract from his terribly ugly lizardness. He's just not right. better. Maybe. Backpack. One trick there is it has to go over and around his arms, which is okay. That's still doable. That. Have him lick his own eye. Great. I feel like that's what he was missing. Being able to lick his own eye. Yay? Nay? What do we think? Let's try it. Maybe that's the lip. A little bit of lip that he's got going on. Okay, so instead of head, we're gonna have... Where is he? Where is he? Where did you go? I know you're in here. I know your artwork is still... There it is. The glasses started. The glasses. My glasses. Okay. The shoes also started spilling over a little bit, so we need to fix that. Oh, that's a little bit trickier though. Okay, we gotta be careful on this one. Wait, no, that's not the one. That's not spilling over. What's spilling over? Oh, it's probably the body. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, I need to change where those glasses are. Dang it, glasses. All right, you know what? You know what? Just add an extra 100 pixels to the bottom here. It's fine. All right. Glasses. The groaning lip. He's better. He's a little bit better. Cut off. Okay. I can kind of get behind that. Just kind of push that in. Yeah, I think that does improve it a bit. Could the glasses be a different color? What did you have in mind? That's true. That is true. Let's see here. If I take the glasses and we invert those to white, then we can control them from here. With modulation. Blue. Dork glasses. We need dork glasses. Maybe just dark blue is enough to make it kind of outline, but different outline. Technically possible, Willow, but it would not make a lot of sense here. Yeah. Nice thing is that we can at least change it here. But yeah, I get what you mean. Okay. Gosh, there's so many animations you gotta do for this. Alright, so he can block. He needs to be able to die. Permanently. How does Dabble do that? Oh, he doesn't have one yet. Huh. The cat's got one, right? Ugly. But technically it works. Okay. So about 2 seconds. So we get about 2 seconds to die. So we start with the hurt animation. Which makes sense, because he's going to be coming from the hurt animation. So remove dead. Then duplicate hurt. His tongue falls out, maybe. Alright, so we start here. This is a 2-second non-looping animation. Yeah, we don't have a ton of time for him to collapse. Great. Cool. Love it. So the trick is that what makes this particularly tricky is that we can't get cut off here. Our sub viewport, we got to be careful about it. Come on, paste. Weird. Yeah, well, the back feet will be back in the back. They're fine. They're fine. So we need the feet, position, and rotation. Lovely. It does look very goofy. Part of the problem is I can't go out of bounds of like the rotation of the animation zone, or else you get cut off when we flatten the sprite out. Oops. Insert. So it's like we can maybe do a little something. That's a little bit slow. And then you get this really awkward thing going on here with the neck. It's like if the head was like this, well then that's just dumb. There's not really a great place for it here with that sharp bit going on. What if we take the arm container and z-index it up a bit? Maybe then we could get away with something like this. It's not great. Like, maybe it's better. Let's see what that looks like. So maybe that's fine. It's good enough. It's good enough. We can always fix it later. We just really need to finish this. There's so much stuff to do. Okay. Hurt, idle, dead, block, jump, sleep, talk. He needs to talk. He needs to tired. And that's it. Okay. So jump or talk, we're going to make that basically the idle animation. Except bring it down to 0.2. Yeah, just like really squeeze it in here. Oh, yep. Uh-oh. Reset. Where'd he go? Where is he? He's gone. It's bizarre. It's never happened before. Right. It's fine, I guess. Okay. And then the head region, oops, not region enabled. Head region rect. Go from that to that at nearest. Oh. Ooh, that's gonna, we need to work on that a little bit. Oops. Add the head position. Okay. Right, body. Yeah, that's fine. That is very goofy of him. Okay, cat. When you talk... Okay, yeah, it's the second frame. This is very doofy, but it's fine. It's a doofy character. Tired. It's gonna be similar to, yeah, similar to sleep. Needs to be 2 seconds looping. Head region is 400? No, 600. No, Duper, don't do it. Oh, he'll do it. He'll do it. I guess we need to get the arm containers in here, bobbing a bit. And you know what? Let's just throw in the whole body at that point. Cubic, 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 cubic. Wait, not this one, nearest. All right, so that's really for when he's like low on health or poisoned. All the things. Okay, I think we've got all of his stuff. Rename him to Leon. Move all of these to sprites. Bye. Huh. So weird. Move him in. Point the animation to that so that he appears in 3D at the wrong spot. All right. Where's his tail? Cut off. Cool. Very neat. Love it. Why is he over there? Who knows? Reset this. Is that better? Maybe. No, he's gone now. This is part of the pain of working with 3D and or 2D things in a viewport. It gets a little silly. Okay, so what's the viewport look like here? Can't actually tell. We're gonna see if that works. Gotta check those normals. All right, so we have partner Leon now. So what we need to do partners is here. Leon. Partners. Leon. Actor partner Leon. All right. Moves. He's got pig head bonk. All right. Does that work? Did we get him? Can he work yet? He probably won't do anything, but let's check it out. Are you ready? There he is. Excuse me. I'm here to join you on an adventure. Yeah, well, you know, he works. All right, the glasses actually significantly helped. Wait, hang on. Something happened. How did I turn that on? That's not what I wanted. Okay, well that's noteworthy. And that's also noteworthy. Oh, he needs an icon here. He technically has an attack. The problem is it's the pig attack. He is a pig, as it turns out. Deep down, he's a pig. All right. No! 6. Yay! Wrong number of arguments. And yet it still did the shadow. Hello!
Have you seen Luigi?
Germ Dove. Gosh, I sure haven't. Thank goodness. I think he's finally dead. GQ, welcome in. Super Mario 64? What is that? I need to grab a cough drop. Germ Dove, thank you for 16 months. Incredible, nearly a year. Well, I have already been exporting all of my highlights to YouTube, so I just need to go through and delete anything that's not... I guess I'll sort by views or something. Star Road. That's a good hack. I mean, it's not. It was at the time. Everyone was still kind of figuring things out back then. Everyone's posting about it on Blue Sky. It's true. You know what else they're posting about on Blue Sky? They're posting about Shine, the new Super Mario World ROM hack that GQ should totally get in on. I mean, 100 coins in a level was a bad design decision from Nintendo, to be fair. It doesn't remember who is the equipped partner when you go into a new scene. Everyone, this is our new partner. This is Leon. He's a chameleon. Hints. Only the coolest thoughts get posted to Blue Sky. He needs attack moves. We'll work on it. Cat and Leon. Yeah. Let me see. Who are my other partners that we haven't revealed yet? I mean, I've mentioned a lot before, but I haven't drawn them. Oh, we're expected to get Molissa, the mole. They're going to Lilat War. Oh no. That looked like a backspace to me. And Bill, he's a hawk. Technically a kestrel. Or maybe that was a reference to Star Fox's dad. I don't know. So, why don't we get... when we load a new room, it's not keeping track of what's supposed to happen. Oh, let's give him a move. Let's give him a move. When you use his special move, you go up really, really far. That's it. That's all that happens for now. Later on, we have a whole interesting concept. He's going to be a hook shot. Pigma balls, dude. Got him. Leon is a hook shot, but with a tongue. He's a tongue hook shot. And it's going to be a cool mechanic. So in Thousand Year Door, you had Koops who could grab things from afar. A twist, you say? So we're going to incorporate that, but also we're going to incorporate if you hit a solid wall, you will stick to it and fly over. So we need to figure out why only cat gets spawned. Here we go. This is why. Add partner only adds cat. This is a really good song, you gotta admit. Oh, we got a, it's not final, but we do have title music. Did you guys know about that? You wanna hear the title music? Get rid of this. Here we go. I had a whole, like, very crappy mock-up where I photoshopped Dabble over the Thousand Year Door. Tentatively, it is titledabble.m4a. Huh? You hear that? Then we grew for a bit. It's the stream title music. It's the opening music, but better. I like the little piano part here in the background. And then it loops. I especially like the counter melody, which I'm quite proud of the original stream theme melody counter melody combo. But Casual did a good job of incorporating it. I gave him a very specific mock-up of this is how you should arrange it, but he made changes at the right spots to add flavor. partners, then you index, and then get actor directory. Okay. That should pull in the appropriate partner when we change scene. I like that. There he is. Okay. All right, now to use his special move. That's the wrong special move, Leon. Dimwits. Whee! That's not his final move. Aha! This is just to demonstrate that he can... Ooh. There's no hitbox on the roof, FYI. Good to know. All right. Next up, he needs to show up in battle. So when we instantiate things, we add our partners. Adds to the bench. But then how do you pick which one to grab? Then we say if when we're initializing the units, if we have added our first one, then that is the one. Oh, and then remove it from the bench or null it out. We can do better than that. We can do better than that. Let's take this code out against my better judgment. What could go wrong? All right. We grab all of the partners. And then we say, okay, manager.stats.current partner index. That's the one. Lizard magic. Do lizard magic. Okay, but only do this if you have a partner. So if game manager.stats.unlock partners.size is greater than 0, then add a partner to the battle. All right, now let's get into a fight. Come on, Leon. Let's go! Where the heck is he? he's invisible. Cool. He's doing lizard magic. Huh. He's doing it. Huh. There he is. Battle manager. If we look at player bench units, there are 3 of them. Second one is null. Player side units, we have 2. Good, good. Makes sense. Actor is there. Oh, here we go. This is it. This has got to be it. If we just added a player to the bench, like if we just added a partner, that's silly. But okay. Player bench units. And then this one. This is silly. But maybe that'll work. He's a wizard. Lizard. Okay, get Leon back out. Oh, nope, didn't like that. Bench unit. Oh, that's null. Oh, duh. Alright, try that again. Yeah, it's different. It's different. Yay! He's here. He's so Leon? You wanna talk about what just happened there? Did I just select an action from the menu after the menu was closed? Because that's what it looked like.
A wizard lizard is a lizard who is a wizard. A lizard wizard is a wizard who specializes in lizard magic. It is possible but rare to have a lizard wizard lizard.
That'd be something. Like, I don't know what that was that happened, but... It's like when I instinctively tapped the button to do like a timed hit, even though there's no timed hit on that attack. But something weird definitely happened there. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Huh. Scary. Okay. Well, good news.
You
Leon...
may ask yourself, what is a wizard lizard's favorite food? Gizzards. And you may find yourself in another part of the world.
There it is. Thank you. This is not my beautiful lizard. Something. Hi, Brother AV. Welcome in. We're about to wrap up for the night, unfortunately. But, hey, we got a new character fully animated and rigged up. And that's a lot more to do on these partner characters. Because, like, they have so much animation to do.
Same as it ever was.
The guys go by. Look at that little. It goes. I love it. Yeah. It's getting there. It's getting there. Get us out of here, Leon. Use your lizard wizard magic. He doesn't actually do that. Okay, so next time, we're going to actually, I hope the plan is, we're going to actually program Leon's partner ability, which does require some more animation. Yay. The plan is it's basically going to be a hook shot. So it's going to be twofold. Well, maybe three. I don't know. We need to be able to extend his tongue. See, I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna implement it. Like, can you just attach to anything solid? That certainly makes it easier to program. I hate in these types of games that are. I'm not gonna say that Thousand Year Door is a Metroidvania, but no swinging, horizontal only. Where you gotta have restrictions to make other characters able to do interesting things as well. I'm sure the speedrunners would love lots of bugs and glitches. Like the whip in Secret of Mana. Man, I never finished Secret of Mana. I didn't finish Secret of Evermore, to be fair. But that game was a lot harder to get through. See, like... There are some moves in Thousand Year Door that are like, you can only use this in the places that the designers said you could. Same with let's take Link to the Past, which is a great game with like lots of different items that let you get around. I feel like the hook shot is one of the best items in the game because you can just use it all over the place. It's always useful. Yes, you are going to be able to grab items with it, Al. Yeah, items that are on the field. Like, I was specifically testing today to make sure we could put items on the field, and we can. So, you'll be able to grab that with the tongue. So, I want for the moves to be just generally useful and not just it is, but there's wooden objects everywhere. I do have to be careful though, because there are like invisible walls everywhere that we use. So I gotta make sure it's like, well, is that did you just, like, what's an example? Right here on the left. If I go over here, and I were to cast my tongue to the left, this is an invisible wall. It is technically solid. Yeah, specific anchors is scary. Less bug prone, but it means every room needs a second pass for us to go through and say, okay, does this surface need a special flag? Does this surface need a special flag? And that adds up. If we can figure out a good system, yeah, maybe it's more that we have like an exception. Because we've been using the same invisible wall object. So we can edit that across everything, which is nice. So we'll see. It's gonna be a bug-prone maneuver. That's all there is to it. But we'll also have to come up with attacks for Leon to have in combat. I think his main attack is just going to be attack first rank enemy, regardless of whether it's in the air or not. Yes, exactly that. I do need to figure out what happens if you hit an enemy with your tongue in the field. I'm assuming you pull either you pull the enemy to you or you pull yourself to the enemy. Either way, very hilarious. Let's see. People that are on. Oh, Imp's on now. Let's send everybody over to him. I'm gonna cut out because I need to go to bed. I'm very tired. Honestly, giving you inspiration. Oh yeah. Starting with 2D game is definitely the way to go. 100%. There's so much to learn. And even if you've done it before, there's so much to refresh. Yeah, well, thanks for hanging out. Thank you all for hanging out tonight. It was a fun time. We got a whole new character. You know what? The glasses. 100% the glasses and backpack. Good call. Thank you to those that suggested more, like, different accessories. Brother AV, I've got some serious JavaScript games out there. You can do some good stuff with JavaScript, but be warned that Canvas does not work super well performance-wise on Firefox. Say when. The classic game of shredded cheese management. All right, we're going over to see Imp. He does not know what he's working on tonight. I'm basically going to be doing a raid and run, though, because I have got to get to sleep. Say goodnight, Leon. All this other stuff I got to close out. All right, anyway, it's going to be fine. Good night, Leon. Good night. That's his canon voice right there. Hi, I'm Leon. Good to meet you. He's very much a Golly G sort of character. Oh yeah, we're going on an adventure. You guys going on quests? I want to go on a quest too. We're gonna have so much fun together. We're gonna be best friends. We're gonna be best friends forever. Hey, where you going? Hey, where you going? Hey, where you going? All right, have a good night, everybody. I will see you around.